Right guys, so I didn't know Vietnam has a metro line. So yeah, come to have a little look at it and see how it works. It reminds me of the one in Thailand, so if you've used the one in Thailand, then you'll know how to use this one. And basically, the metros come down there. So you need to get a ticket before you can go down there, obviously. Then there's a ticket counter here. So I suppose you get a ticket here and then you go down. So there is ticket machines, but they don't seem to be working. So let's have a look if we can see anything. Oh, here it is. There's the line there. So you can see. I think we're on the red line, maybe the line 1. I don't know. Yeah, line 1. It is line 1. There it is. It says line 1. And then once you've got your ticket from there, you can go through. Once you go through here, then you can go to the line that you want to go to. And there's the stations. Oh, it's already open there, so if I wanted, I could just go through. But this should be working, but they're not working at the moment, so I'm not able to show you how to use it. So, but it's pretty basic, really. You get your ticket there, or you pay over there. Once you've got your ticket, you can go through. When you go through, as I was just showing you down there, you'll go through to where the metros are, and depending on where you want to go, you go to the metro stop, and it's pretty simple from there. So yeah. Wow. Okay. So see if there's a metro due now. If there is, we'll see it happen right now. But basically, the metro. This is like Barcelona as well down there. The new part of the metro stops, line L9. So like they've got this glass door. When the metro pulls up, the glass door will open. Basically, seems to be a lot of YouTubers up here. I don't know what they're doing. Probably I should collaborate. Yeah. Okay. But there don't seem to be many tourists here, so maybe we don't need to use it. Well, there's one there. As I just say, I see one, but you're not seeing a lot of the tourists getting on the metro, so maybe there's nowhere we need to go. Maybe I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna try and understand what's going on here. But there's a lot of YouTube, and I'm gonna try and see if I can get in with someone. Why not? Oh wow. What's going on here? So yeah. Okay.